Wrong? Crackling and peppers? Is that wrong? Hello. No, that's gross. Stop it. No. That's gross. Oh, stop it. That's gross. Stop.
What? Is there something on my face? Is there?
Do it this way. Let's see if we can get it in this side of the movie. Do it this way. This crazy car in front of us. Hold on, let's see if I can get up next to it. So dangerous what I'm doing. Yeah, look at this guy. So cool. It's the best thing to do when you have missing feelings.